Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper, because in today's newspaper we have no additional. No, it's the additional of the yesterday's edition, Wednesday, August the 31st, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The first one I have already solved, the letter Sudoku. Now I will continue with the Two Stars Sudoku and later on the tectonic cipher block in Dutch. Yes, two puzzles are left. The first puzzle I will continue now with the Two Stars Sudoku. This will be number 5108. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and for 26 it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. 26 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have in a puzzle a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for Two Stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. Alright, we see here 2 in this third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then the 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about the number? The number. Let me see. 5. About the 6. Well. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this column. So no 7 and 8 in these two boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and the 5. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. Right. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column, second column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Well, need more information. I cannot continue. 5. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. 5 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And, well, we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row. Should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. We have an 8 in the third column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8. Do I have all the 5s? No. No. 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there, 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6, 6, okay. Alright. But the 4. Let me think. Okay, 8, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm still thinking. 1, 1. 1, 1. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? I'm thinking. 1, 1. 1, 3. 1, 3, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 3. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 5, 5. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. can't see. Digit number one. Alright. Okay. Then. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this first column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 3 in the first row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 1 box left. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. Then. Ooh. 5 and 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. In the second column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, do we have all the 9s? No. Not yet. And how about the 5s? Do we have all the 5s? No. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4. It goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 4, but how about the 2 then? Still cannot continue with the 2. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9. In this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And we solve it again. So, yeah, not faster than 15 minutes. So, it's definitely a 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the Cyberblock in Dutch, English, Tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.